Hello and welcome to this myTRBK tutorial, and in this video we're going to learn how to add contacts to your tour. And it says here, next step, click here to add contacts to your tour. So I'm going to click there on the tour members, or you can click here if that's visible. And as you can see, we only have one tour member at the moment, which is my user, the myTRBK account. So if you're already connected with someone, you can add them directly to your tour. But if you're not connected, you can click here to invite contacts, and then you can put a list of email addresses in there with a message to them, which has already been filled out by default. Please accept my contact request so I can add you to the tour. You can't add someone to the tour unless they have accepted your contact request, and that will send that email as an invite, or if they've already got an account with that email address, it will send them a contact request. But for now, I'm just going to go to add remove tour members, and it will take us to my contacts list, which is blurred because I don't want you to see everyone's names that's connected to me. But I'm going to add a few people, which I can show you. So I'm going to add myself. I'm going to click there, add to tour. I'm going to add Jason Salford to the tour. So I've now added some people to the tour. If we go back to tours and go back to tour members, you can see these are now all tour members. So I can add a title for each tour member. So I'm going to make the myTRBK account the tour manager. I'm going to make myself guitar vocals. So that has labelled each person with their job role. I'm now going to move these around so you can reorder the people. I'll put Kevin, the production manager, up there. That seems like a good order to me. So I'm going to click Save Order. Now I'm going to add remove tour tags to each one. So the myTRBK account I'm going to have as crew and manager and tour manager. Kevin Hopgood, the production manager, I'm going to have crew, manager and production manager. Stephen McElroy, and as you can see now, everyone's got their job roles in tags. Now if there's a tag that's missing, you want to add a different tag to someone that we haven't got in our default list, you can go up here to tour tags and add in any kind of tag you want. So for example, if you had a promoter that was added to the tour, you could click add new tag and that would add in promoter there. And you can also delete tags that you no longer need by clicking on the little red X. And that is how to add tour members to your tour. Remember that you can't add a tour member unless they're connected with you. So if they're not connected with you, you can use invite contacts, or you can go to search and search for someone and request their contact. Until next time, thanks a lot.